Mix it.
I'm going so slow. Every day I keep going slow. You get it? When I take my time, it will go slow. Still 1 minute on the elevator? Wow. RGC as you. I'm almost done. I want to add third algorithm. SCOUGCIU. I'm on the last algorithm. Oh no, I have a problem. OCICOC2. SUSU2G. Done.
Done. 4 minutes and 44 seconds?
That's less than 8 minutes.
Okay.
It's It's like just playing this game.
No, it's not. So, Kunti, how old are you?
6.
When's your birthday?
June 17.
What year?
2009.
Very good. Well, how long have you learned? How long have you been doing this? The Rubik's Cube.
I think
2 weeks? 3 weeks?
I think it was 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago? Is it easy to learn how to solve?
Yesterday I did less. Yesterday I did more than that.
And how many algorithms do you need to learn?
4.
4? And who made up the algorithms? Who showed you how to turn left and right?
You?
Is it easy? So anyone can do it? You think it's easy? Anyone can do it? Anyone your age can do it? Good. So it's easy to do the Rubik's Cube, right? Yes. Very good. 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, Kunti, you get a surprise. So next time you will have to do maybe less than 4 minutes, right? Tomorrow we try again.
No, you said this was the final test.